Dane Alex Bird Smith, born the 15th of July 1992, is an Australian race-walking athlete. He competes in the 20 km race walk and has a best of 1:19:37 hours for the distance, set in 2016 at the Rio Olympics. He represented Australia at the 2013 World Championships in athletics and has appeared 3 times at the IAAF World Race Walking Cup. He was the gold medalist at the Summer Universiade in 2015 and the Oceania Race Walking Championships in 2014. He is the son of former Australian Olympic walker David Smith. Career. Early life and career. The son of David Smith, an international race walker, Queensland-born Bird Smith initially took up athletics but focused on the 400 meters. However, he switched to race walking as a teenager and began to be coached by his father. He had his first national success in 2008 when he won the Australian youth title. Junior-level titles followed the next year and he also made his international debut, placing 8th at the 2009 World Youth Championships in athletics. He repeated as road and track national junior champion in 2010 and set an Australian junior record of 41:32:36 minutes for the 10,000 meters race walk while finishing 5th at the 2010 World Junior Championships in athletics. He also made his debut at the 2010 IAAF World Race Walking Cup, but was disqualified from the junior race for footlifting. He improved further to 41:02:18 minutes in 2011 and also set an Oceanian record of 40:56 minutes in the 10 km road walk discipline to win the exhibition event at the Oceania Race Walking Championships. First senior competitions. Bird Smith began to take part in senior competitions towards the end of 2011 and on his international circuit debut at the Gran Premio Cantones de la Coruna, ending the race in 13th place. His debut in the 20 km race walk event came in December and he recorded a time of 1:26:38 hours. He bettered this on the 2012 IAAF World Race Walking Challenge circuit, setting a time of 1:23:15 hours in Taikang. He ranked 43rd in the senior 20 km race at the 2012 IAAF World Race Walking Cup before winning his first national title in August. A second national title came at the 2013 Australian Athletics Championships, this time in the 5,000 meters walk, an event in which he also set a best of 18:56:96 minutes to rank 3rd in the world that year. He set a personal best at the Oceanian Championships 20 km race, taking 2nd behind his compatriot Jared Talent and had his first top 3 finish on the circuit at the Coppa Città di Sesto San Giovanni, a new best of 1:22:03 following at the La Coruna race, where he was 4th overall. In 2016 Dane won a bronze medal in the 2016 Rio Olympics. Bird Smith made some quick improvements in the 20 km event in 2014, after winning his first Oceanian title in February. In 2015, Bird Smith placed 5th at both the IAAF Race Walking Challenge Taikang and La Coruna race, setting a new best of 1:20:05 hours at the latter. Personal bests. National titles. International competitions.